Hello, and today on Texture Review we have Bike Lock. Now this is just a big swirly whirly curly durly rigid bit of braided wire coated in a very smooth plastic, so I can't actually get to feel the wire. But it's, just a smooth plastic sort of thing, casing, and then a lumple sort of endy bit with a bulbousy lumple dump, and then a little groove thing at the end there to click in the hole bit there, and that hole just an inverted lumple dump, standard, as you might be aware now. This is a big bulbousy lumple dump with a little bit of lipple dipple going on there, and we have a little lipple dipple sort of slidey widey thing there for the keyhole, and the keyhole thing is very smooth, but then where the actual key cutout bit is, it's quite a catchy and inverted lumple dump. The main body plastic is somewhat textured, very, very minor lumple dump, and they need to shut up. But yeah, go and lock your bike up or something else with this, or maybe lock up some of your friends' stuff to prank them. Or don't do that, that's not very nice. Do what you want with one of these, or don't do anything. You don't need it.